video we studied how to prepare profit and loss appropriation account, right? Now in this video we will come to know how we will prepare partners capital account, right? We will prepare in this video partners capital account. Children, you know very well partners capital account. These are the accounts of partners capital, right? Here we will prepare partners capital account when capital is fixed in nature, right? And then when capital is fluctuating in nature, right? By two ways we can prepare partners capital account. When capital is fixed in nature, fixed, that means there is no change in partners capital throughout the life. Capital of partners remain same until and unless partners withdraw the money and partners make some additions in the capital once in a life, right? So when capital is fixed in nature, first we will prepare partners capital account according to this. When capital is fixed in nature, capital is fixed. When capital is fixed in nature, you have to prepare two accounts. First you will prepare partners capital account. Second, you will prepare partners current account, right? When capital is fixed in nature, there is no change in the capital, then students, you have to maintain two accounts when capital is fixed. First, partners capital account you have to prepare. In partners capital account you will just write the capital of the partners, nothing else. Other transactions of the firm you will show in partners current account. Am I clear? In capital account you will just write the capital of the partners, and in partners current account you will show all remaining transactions of the firm. So first of all we will prepare partners capital account when capital is fixed in nature. Partners capital account when capital is fixed in nature. Partners capital account. In short form you can write it PCA. You can write PCA. P for partner, C for capital, A for account. PCA when capital is fixed in nature. Capital is fixed in nature. Capital is not changing every time. Then you will prepare partners capital account. Suppose there are two partners in a business. There are two partners in a business. You can name them A, partner A and partner B, partner A and partner B. This side is known as particular, this column. This column is again particulars column, right? This is the debit side of the account. This is the credit side of the account. Am I right? Partners capital account when capital is fixed in nature, right? Particulars, partner A's capital account, partners B's capital account debit side. Particulars, partners A's credit side, partners B's credit side. You will start this partners capital account from the credit side. You all know that capital always have credit balance. Capital always have credit balance. So first of all you will write the capital of the partners in the credit side of PCA, that is by balance BD. By balance BD means opening balance of capital. Here you will write the capital of A and capital of B. Am I clear? After that, if there is some permanent additions in the capital, by bank account, permanent additions. Permanent additions, if there is any permanent addition in the capital, you will write here, right? Otherwise, you will not write anything in the credit side. 99% only capital is given to you. Additions and drawings are not given to you. Here you will write 2 withdrawals. Here 2 bank permanent withdrawals. Permanent withdrawals, if there is any permanent withdrawals in the business, you will show it in the debit side of partners capital account. Am I clear? And after that, what will you do? You will do the total of credit side. From the total of credit side, you will deduct the total of the debit side. What will you get? You will get closing balance of capital. You will show opening balance of capital by writing by balance BD. BD brought down opening balance. Closing balance you will show 2 balance CD. Closing balance carried down. This is the closing balance of the capital. So this was all about your partner's capital account when capital is fixed in nature. Am I clear? After that, other transactions of the firm you will show in next account, that is partner's current account. Partner's current account. Again, there are 2 partners in a firm. 2 partners in a firm, suppose, right? Particulars A and B. Particulars A and B. This is partner's current account format. This is the format of partner's current account. Again, there are 2 partners, partner A and partner B. Partner A and partner B. What will you write here? How you will prepare partner's current account? Right? First of all, if in question current account balances are given to you, you will show current account balances first of all in partner's current account. Partner's current account balances may be debit, may be credit. If credit balance is given to you, you will show in the credit side. If debit balance is given to you, you will show in the debit side. If one partner's current account show debit balance and another partner's show current account credit balance, then you will show accordingly. Suppose A partner has current account credit side balance. You will write here by balance BD, here credit side, and B partner have debit balance of current account. You will write here to balance BD credit balance. A partner has credit balance of current account, B partner has debit balance of current account. You will write it accordingly. But you should know the difference between by balance BD written in the PCA and by balance BD written in the current account. This is the capital account balance. Am I clear? This is capital account balance and this is your current account balance. This is your current account balance. Current account balance. In some questions, current account balance is not given to you. Then there is no need to write any current account balances in current account. Am I clear? After that, what will you write? What partners will get from the firm? You will write in the credit side of partners current account. What partners can get from the firm? Partners can get interest on capital. Interest on capital from the firm. Right? Interest on capital is an income of the partner and you will show it in the credit side of current account. Right? After that, by salary If A or B is getting any type of salary from the firm, you will write in the credit side. If A or B partners are getting any type of commission from the firm, you will write in the credit side of current account. One new thing, what will you write here? That is answer of profit and loss appropriation account. If profit and loss appropriation account shows any type of profit, then that profit you will write in the credit side of partner's current account. Am I clear? Here you will write by profit and loss appropriation account, profits. What answer you will get from the partner's capital account? If there is some profit, you will write in the credit side of partner's current account by distributing that profit among the partners in their profit sharing ratio. Am I clear? After that, in debit side, you will write drawings of the partners. If partners are drawing any amount from the firm, you will write in the debit side of partner's current account. Right? After that, if firm is charging any type of interest from the partners, you will show in the debit side of partner's current account to interest on drawings. Right? After that, if there is some type of loss while preparing profit and loss appropriation account, you can write in the debit side of partner's current account. After that, what will you do? You will just do the total of credit side. You will do the total of credit side and deduct the total of debit side from the total of credit side. What will you get? You will get closing balance. You will get closing balance. By deducting the total of debit side from the total of the credit side, you will get closing balance of current account. So this was all about your partner's capital account when capital is fixed in nature. When capital is fixed in nature, you have to prepare, you have to maintain two accounts, that is partner's capital account first and second is partner's current account. Am I clear? Right? So you prepare here partner's capital account when capital is fixed in nature. Now we are shifting to the next topic, when capital is fluctuating in nature. Children, when capital is fluctuating in nature, what do you mean by fluctuating? Changeable, change every time. Partner's capital account when capital is fluctuating every time. Sometimes partner capital account capital is increasing, sometimes it is decreasing, fluctuating, changing, increasing, decreasing, right? Then students, you have to prepare only single account. You have to prepare only single partner's capital account. How you will prepare it? Again, assume there are two partners in a business. Two partners in a business. Partner A and partner B, right? Partner A and partner B, right? Here you will write particulars. Particulars. This is your debit side. Left side is known as debit side. Right side is known as credit side. Right? Now you can see we are preparing partner's capital account when capital is fluctuating in nature. Single account we have to maintain. Single partner's capital account we have to maintain. Here you will write by balance BD. This is the opening balance of capital you will write here. Opening balance of capital you will write here. Then partners' incomes you will show in the credit side of their capital account. Just like by interest on capital, if partners are getting any type of interest on their capital, you will show it in the credit side of partner's capital account. If partners are getting any type of salary, you will write in the credit side of partner's capital account. Then if partners are getting any type of commission, you will show in the credit side of partners capital account. Then answer of profit and loss appropriation account. If profit and loss appropriation account shows some type of profits, you will show it in the credit side of partners capital account by writing by profit and loss appropriation account profits, right? Profits you will show here by profit and loss appropriation account. Debit side, what will you write? Two drawings. If partners are withdrawing any type of money from the firm, it will be shown in the debit side of partners capital account when capital is fluctuating in nature. Right? Here you will write two interest on drawings. Interest on drawing you will show in the debit side of partners capital account. To profit and loss appropriation account, if profit and loss appropriation account shows some type of loss, you can show it in the debit side of partners capital account. And after that you will do the total of the credit side and you will deduct the total of the debit side from the total of the credit side. You will get closing balance of capital. Closing balance of capital. Now you can see the difference between partners capital account when capital is fixed in nature and capital is fluctuating in nature. When capital is fixed in nature, you have to maintain two accounts, that is partners capital account and partners current account. But when capital is fluctuating in nature, you have to prepare only single account. You can sum up the two accounts of capital account when it is fixed in nature. Then you have come to know partners capital account when capital is fluctuating. Right? So this was all about your capital account when capital is fixed in nature and when capital is fluctuating in nature. Am I clear? So this was all about your capital account. In next video we will do interest on drawings. Okay, thank you.